It's Battle Cat's time. Yeah, so I recorded a whole 15-minute video of Before Your Eyes, which is a really good narrative story game, and the video decided to corrupt on me. And I don't even know how it's able to corrupt when it's on a phone, and the phone said, if you're gonna take a video, then there's no corruptions at all that's gonna happen. Which honestly pissed me off, because I had really good gameplay footage. But let's go. So I met Calamari and Alpaki, so let's go. Yeah, off screen, I should have recorded it, but I don't know why I didn't. And I need a ramen. Cannon fodder, go. Damn it, other cannon fodder event. Just stop him from doing his attack, honestly. Okay, wait, send up this dude. Oh yeah, my dude's done. He can't survive this long. Definitely not. He has no nuclear. He's only resistant against aliens. Yeah, look at that. Look how fast they die. Stay resistant, don't persistent. Okay. Stay resistant, don't persistent. Why do my meat shields die so fast? So I went back to chapter 2 and now it's I also got the thing here, the aqua crystal. The alien magnifier. See, Sarah, you're supposed to freeze! I'm going to punch Seabear in the face when I'm freezing. Freeze him, Seabear! Freeze him till he can't be frozen no more. Freeze him! I swear, if this recording corrupts too, then, oh, I'm gonna leave that. Various confirmation by this guy, I forgot the name, but he appeared in the video 2 times in a row. Yeah, that's how I know he's sticking to stay here with us as a great supporter. So yeah, I'm taking the thing into action. I will defeat Bahamut and get talents. I just need to get every superior treasure first. Because it's not going to be easy to beat him. I know, it's not going to be like Valkyrie where I could just continue my way out of it. No, it's going to be bad. Let's roll! That, oh, cat! Right, the cat's in the bottle. Look how weak that dog is. That dog. With the W. And A. Oh, there he is. Oh, this one's annoying. They weaken my unit. And they go beeble. I hate them when they have long range. Long range attacks that are not annoying. I'm guessing these rhinos are here for money. Because when they die, they drop lots of attacks. But even Calamari is really funny. But they can outrange my guy. My steel soldier. So that's not good right now. So yeah, steel soldier has to freeze him. Oh, we just killed him. Okay, yeah. I guess the boss version has more health, and then when he becomes a normal unit to face, he gets like really weaker, or it's because of the magnification it doesn't have at the time. got seafarer, so I gotta win. Captain. Yeah, we're stopping. Someone touch me like that. I get really mad. Really? I can't deploy anymore. My craze cats have not died yet. Oh yeah, the cat food is piling up. Yeah, look, see, I'm not really focused on getting this. Oh, we just got it. Master Peach, yeah. Okay, we got Argentina. This is what the guy was pointing with this freaky finger. Hey, give a thumbs up. Hey. Yep. Send out something so I can send out something. Okay. The literal polar opposite. Not polar opposite, but my variant. Except my guy can't, like, 4-shot and, like, a pretty good Michio. I should go back and get, like, the treasures for aliens and angels and blacks, but, like, what I'm really focusing on is aliens. Okay, come on. Is there any treasures that upgrade Pac-Man and Rainy? No. Yeah, I didn't think so. Boss, come out. Please. I'm about to crack the freaking knees. Boss, come out. Please. No, don't come out. No. I don't want you out now. We're going! Oh, they're spreading through us. We're definitely gonna lose. We need shadow or something. Yeah, they're sending out, they're just staring at us. It's not even funny. I'm about to abuse the enemy limit. Please more. I heard something with someone. Ah! There's mad guys on you, Gorbola. And you can't do that with them. They're basically a tiny little slime cat. It's different. Look, a tiny little slime cat with a tiny little wave. And you can't even defend. Ah! Superior mate? There's gonna be mad floating heads. Crap. Who should I upgrade? Uh-oh. I'm gonna get this dude's true form. I'm actually looking forward to it. The Omni treasure. Wow. Yeah, and then they send out red floating heads to murder me right as I start, right? So I'm gonna just send out this to cannon fodder him. Oh, and then they send out that little piece of garbage to stop my little cannon fodder stars. That's fine. We got the power within us to beat them. Just a little people. What are they gonna do? Kill us? I doubt that. I doubt that. I hope they try. Okay, we need cannon now. I love cannon foddering. Get foddered up the cannon. Oh, thank you, KK, for missing. I hate that squirrel. I really do. I hate that squirrel. That squirrel is a piece of garbage. Forever and for now on. Oh, Can, you missed, didn't you? Or hit. Maybe you should say it. We're just hiding behind the bolo now. Hit it now before that squirrel comes. Murder that squirrel, Bisu, and there's an iron face. And I have no alien defenders right now. Don't fight nothing, you nasty. Freeze! Oh my, Bisu. I wonder whose fault that is. Please, Steel Sergeant. Steel Sergeant! Seafarer, I need you. I need luck, Seafarer. I need a big, massive stroke of luck, Seafarer. I need you to be lucky for me. And hit that freeze! Seafarer! Why am I yelling so much? I don't know. Seafarer, please hit your freeze. Oh, you missed Can because your range is terrible. I hope that's in your challenge to fix your range or something. I don't know. I don't know what challenge do. Maybe they fix range. Maybe they don't. Maybe they will. I don't know. Okay, I know he's hating that. Right now, Iron Face. Iron Face is just getting hit by the waves and stuff. Getting massively destroyed. Are we supposed to fight, Clyono here? On the Switch. And then, we go to the moon to beat Gunblast. Into the future. Because everything is one chapter. So they have to smush it together, so I bet you fight the face on this island. Revolodon did it survive? Gravolo hit to survive. That's like no damage to Gravolo, because he's, no, Gravolo's dead. He's just getting absolutely massively destroyed. This is just nasty how he's getting destroyed. But yo, these two things get me walling. Oh boy. When does the difficulty spike? Okay guys, I'ma see you soon. Please don't error.